I threw some bread down, and look what comes. All the seagulls. Ah! 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 I'm imitating seagulls. Let's see if they come and get it. Uh-oh. There's one under them. Oh well. I didn't know there was only 3 of them before. This is fun. Are they gonna come get the bread? Let's see if I can get them down here. You guys want some bread? Bread? Hey, it's good bread. You don't want my bread? Yoo-hoo! The birds down here don't know me. Oops. I got more bread in there, just a little bit. Hey guys, come on. Want some bread? No? You're gonna waste my bread, are you? No bites this time. Maybe they need their glasses, they can't see the bread.